In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add company address in Hubspot. Keeping your company information accurate and up-to-date in Hubspot is essential for ensuring smooth communication, proper data management, and seamless integration with other tools. Whether you're updating an outdated address or adding one for the first time, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now let's dive right in. First, begin by heading over to HubSpot and logging into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your dashboard. If you're not sure where to log in, just go to HubSpot's official website, and you'll find the login button right at the top. Once you've logged in, take a look at the main toolbar at the top of the page. Here you'll notice a gear-shaped icon. This is the Settings button. Click on it. This is where you can manage and update most of your account and company details. So it's a good idea to get familiar with this section. Now that you're in the Settings area, look to the left-hand sidebar, scroll through the options until you find the one labeled Account Defaults, go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed to house settings and preferences related to your overall HubSpot account. It's essentially the hub for foundational details like your company information. Within the Account Defaults section, locate the option for company address. It might take a moment to spot, but it's usually listed among the top items in this section. Once you see it, click on it, and you'll be able to edit or provide your company's address details. Now, let's talk about entering or updating your address. If your company's address is already listed but has changed or contains errors, simply click into the fields and adjust the information as needed. If you're entering it for the first time, make sure to fill in all the required fields with accurate details. Remember, having the correct company address is critical because it impacts how your CRM functions and integrates with other applications. For example, it could affect billing, email footers, or compliance with regulations. Once you've entered the details, take an extra moment to double-check everything. Look for typos, incorrect zip codes, or formatting errors that could create problems later. It's always better to catch these issues now than to have to revisit them later. When you're confident that all the information is accurate, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the Save button. This step is key. Without saving, your changes won't be applied. You should see a confirmation message or indicator letting you know that your updates were successfully saved. And that's it! You've now added or updated your company's address in HubSpot. Keeping this information current is a small but important step in ensuring your account runs smoothly and supports your business needs effectively. If you have any questions about this process, or if there's another topic you'd like to see covered, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.